Hey, I may have mentioned this in a video that I did. I guess maybe yesterday. What's yesterday? Tuesday, when I went into town. There's a senior bus that comes out here to La Jolla and picks up, picks us up and takes us into Hilo once a week. And so I was sitting down at a table outside Safeway waiting for the bus, and here was a lady. She's she's of India. I think she's Indian descent, you know, Pakistan, Indian, Indo. And so her and I were having a nice little chat together, nice little conversation. She saw the distilled water that I had, reverse osmosis, and I told her what I do with citric acid and and the salts that I take from the 12 salts and stuff like that, and how great it is for burning off parasites that exist within all your circuits, nests that form, right? Nests, they love that they, how nests have, just like bed bugs, any bugs, any parasitic bug. Remember I mentioned that before when I was going to zip out of here. You're not coming with me, because you can detect the loss of one electron, so therefore you can detect anything within your entire circuitry, right? That's feeding on your energy. That's called sensory capacity, which is capacitance, like the capacitance of a sun. And so I mentioned that where she can start doing that, and she wanted to start doing that. So I hooked her up with Amazon, and there's a company called Oneness, where you activate it. You mix the two solutions together, and then you put in. If you're going to do a gallon of water, you put in 16 drops, 16 of each one of those, the blue and then the orange colored one, and mix them together and let them activate and put them in a gallon of water, and you're good to go. Right. So I've been on that regimen for quite a while now, and so I mentioned that to her, and in the course of this conversation, she was telling me that she was having a problem. Why she'd been having to go to the doctor, because she says I'm dehydrated now all the time, and I'm going, really? And she said, "Yeah, what's happening is that my brain is not informing me that I need to drink water. I'm not. My system is not informing me of what I need to keep my equipment running high performance." And so she said, I'm just not aware of the fact that I need to drink water, so I don't. So you know how that is when it comes to switches, deactivation, activation, turning things on, right? And so I thought I'd mention that, because when I left her, I said, make sure, trying to keep notes, put something on your wrist, drink plenty of water, and do it anyway. Keep doing it anyway. Keep doing it anyway. Keep doing it anyway. Right? You know that you need to do this, right? You shouldn't need to remind yourself that you need water. And you understand the importance of hydration, particularly now. I fasted not that long ago, and I'm thinking about doing that again. Just water fasting. Right. I did a 7-day fast. I think, when was that? I think I mentioned that in one of a prior video that I did. But I don't consume, because you're running coats, right? Just like a bag of potato chips is coats, right? And so Breatharian form, just breathing pure, eternal, absolute love energy, right? And the first flame, the eternal flame of Adama Amareya. Just breathe, baby. And so I thought I'd mention that, because of what I just experienced yesterday, where a lady had informed me of that, right? And so I'm gonna do my best to keep an eye on her, and so, to remind her, helper, like a facilitator, you know, a caring spirit, the nurturing spirit. That's what love is always in service to others, right? Because your health is just as important to my health, right? Particularly as that relates to exposure and burn time of what we're exposed to. When that comes to inhalation, transcription, absorption, and exhalation, right? Of getting rid of parasitic codes, start running pure fire, pure light fire, purify the spirit, right? Fire and water, fire and ice, experience being one, the entire electromagnetic spectrum, right? And yeah. So I thought I'd share that, right? Because that's not that surprising, however, being on this island, on the big island of Hawaii, right? So that's why I'm here. You know, it's it is what it is. Anyway, have a beautiful evening wherever you happen to be. We love you all. Be good to your inner child, the inner sea, the inner core, the inner core, the inner core solar rishi. Yeah. Bye now.